Hi, and this is. Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. In today's episode, we're going to answer the eternal question of why do sloppy joes have to be so sloppy? My friend Paul and I, we were putting ideas back and forth to each other, and we came up with a great solution. They don't have to be sloppy. We're going to call them Burrito Joes. Genius idea. Someone probably already came up with the idea, but we're going to do it here. We're going to demonstrate it here, and we're going to show you the benefits of it while you're cooking on the road with Scotty B. So get ready to go and have some fun. This episode doesn't require a whole lot of ingredients or steps to make, but we're going to engage our old friend, the pressure cooker and the rice cooker to do this. And with the rice cooker, we're going to add an extra ingredient to our Burrito Joes that's going to make them real tasty. I hope you enjoy it. It's cilantro lime rice with Zatarain. Very, very good. We're going to make a bed of this on the burrito and then place the sloppy joe on top of it. Add the onions and the peppers into the sloppy joe mix, but we're going to do that after the sloppy joe is cooked, because I like a little crunch on mine. You can cook them along with the sloppy joe if you want, but I like to add them at the end to make it a little crunchy. And then a nice layer of shredded cheddar cheese. So get ready and let's go do this. I've already placed 2 1/4 cups of water in the rice cooker, along with a teaspoon of butter. And we're going to get this started because that takes the longest to cook. I'm going to add the rice and give it a little stir. Get that mixed up good. Now, we're going to place the lid on her and put it on rice. Now, we're going to start our pressure cooker on brown and get that heating up, and then place a nice, about a 1 pound piece of ground beef in there. And I'm going to break it up and render the grease off of it into a plastic cup with a paper towel folded up in the bottom of it. And we're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper, about a teaspoon of each. Give the ground beef a little better flavor. There we go. And we'll gently place the lid on it. Don't have to seal it or anything. And let that build up some heat to get it to brown. And we'll be right back. While we're waiting for our rice and our ground beef to brown, we're going to cube up our onion and bell pepper and get those ready for adding at the end of the cycle. Now we're ready to get the fat off of the hamburger and drain that. It's all cooked up and ready to come out. So get our oven mitt, whack whack, and we grab hold of the pot. And we're going to pull the beef down towards the bottom of the pot and just pour the excess grease, get the majority of it out, and put it back into the pressure cooker. And then we'll add the rest of the ingredients to the pressure cooker, which is 1 can of sloppy joe mix. Okay, pour the sloppy joe mix right in the beef. nice little stir. And we're going to heat this slowly while our rice completes by doing keep warm on the pressure cooker. That way it won't burn and we don't have to stir it as often. Okay, I think we've got some heat built up here. Yes, we do. And then we're going to add our veggies. And stir those in a little bit. These are going to be some of the best sloppy joes you have tasted in a while. All right, we'll let that keep warm until our rice is completed, and then we'll plate it up. Okay, the rice is done. We've got a burrito on our plate, and we're going to start plating. The ground beef is done as well. Sloppy Joe mix is ready. Okay, we're going to place our rice on. Now for our Sloppy Joe mix. There we go. That looks real good. And now we're going to place our cheese on top. Sharp cheddar cheese. That don't look good, I don't know what does. So you fold it from the longest end, that way you keep everything inside, and roll her over. And you have a Burrito Joe. Let's taste it. Okay, time to give it a try. Here we go. Maybe I shouldn't have took such a bite. Oh, the crunch of the onions and the peppers really sets it off. And the addition of the cilantro and lime rice adds a new level, brings it to a new level. But as you can see, nothing's going anywhere onto the plate or anywhere else except in my mouth. So that's a good thing. That's why we call them Burrito Joes. And it works out really well. So I suggest you get right at it and make one yourself. Thanks for watching again. Hope you visit us for the next episode, and keep your eye out for it. Please like and subscribe to the video and tell your friends. Let them know that out here on the road in a big truck, you can still have gourmet food and a good time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.